What's up, my friend? This is Anders Larsson. Today I'm gonna review typestudio.co. If you are a video content creator, you know that cleaning a video, editing a video is something that can take a lot of time, and it's not a fun process. You also know that, however, it is important in your online marketing to brand yourself, build that know, like, and trust. I will show you how you can use typestudio.co to make video cleaning a little bit simpler. Video length is limited to 10 minutes, but 10 minutes is enough in most cases if you do video marketing. So let's sign up. I like to use temporary emails when I try new websites or services. Copy paste the email and sign up. And let's see if I receive an email. Doesn't seem like it. Alright, so what I will do is produce this video that I have done so far and then upload it, and we will see what's up and how it's going. So I see you in a moment. Bye for now. Alright, I am back, and this is the files, the video files that I've done so far. So let's add all the files and produce one video file that I have not cleaned in any way. Alright, let's produce the file. This is a finished file. Copy paste the path, and what I'm supposed to do is to create a new project and then click here and let's upload. I simply pasted the file path and clicked enter, and it will find the folder that has the video file that I'm about to upload now, and let's see what's going on here. If you want to provide an answer, then you can do that. Alright, so basically they convert the speech to text. You also have to have a little bit of imagination that, for example, CU is when I say CO. Here I repeated myself 2 times because I made an error, and I repeated myself to correct that error. So I am supposed to delete this one. It can be a little bit tricky sometimes to select the correct words. Alright, so I'm satisfied, and let's export this. But first let's do a preview of what it will look like. But 10 minutes is enough in most cases if you do video marketing. So let's sign up. I like to use temporary emails when I try new websites or services. What I would have wished for is a way to remove pauses, and maybe they will add this in the future. So this is a progress bar, and you see how many minutes it's left until the video is done. Let's send them a message, and hopefully they will read my message. It's done. Alright. I have downloaded the file, and let's paste it here. I'm now rendering video part 2, and I will join part 1 with part 2, and part 1 will be the video that I just downloaded from this service. One way to use this service to make money is, for example, you can sell this as a gig on Fiverr. I will clean your video for $10, for example. Now what I will need to do is remove the pauses. Alright, I will remove the pauses and come back when I'm done. I will now create part 3. Alright, so part 1 and 2 is rendering, and I will join this video with the final part 3. If you like what I just shared with you, then why not hit the like button? You also have the option to subscribe if you want more videos like this. I hope that this service can be helpful to you if you are a content creator or video creator. I mean, it's pretty cool to just edit the text and it will generate the video and remove the repeated texts and so on. It's a pretty cool idea. I leave the link to this service in the description, and you also have the option to sign up to my free online marketing video training. And this video training is very helpful if you want to take your business to the next level and learn how to become an influencer. So stay awesome and take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.